and all of a sudden I see a lot of mold, black mold popping up around the place. Up here, so like, oh my goodness, I didn't even notice these. Can you all see that? Like, look at all of that.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment, yo, yo. Yeah, let me tell you now. We are the Rock Dogs, bringing you blogs. From the positivity in you. Check in with us. We'll bring you fun, education, family, marriage clips, yeah, yeah. Stay tuned for the challenges, fame moves and travel. We got your back. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mr. God got you, yeah. We are the Rock Dogs, yo. Like, share, and comment, yeah, yeah. We are the Rock Dogs, Mr. Link the link, yo. Rock Dogs, Rock Dogs. We are the Rock Dogs. Whoa, whoa.
What one makes, thanks for getting to the positivity in where everything is copacetic because God is in it. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome by checking in. On today's vlog, you have automatically been given the silver package. But please, do upgrade to gold by subscribing to this channel or go all the way up top to platinum by not only subscribing but like this video. Check in with a comment below and share the content with your friends. We are your hosts, the Robdans. To all our returning mates, what one? Big up for yourself. Thank you so much for all checking in to the positivity in. Guys, we are going to be dealing with a very urgent matter in this house. We have what do you call it, an infestation of mold. The climate has changed significantly. Well, you know, UK always cold, but it's very cold. And all of a sudden, I see a lot of mold, black mold, popping up around the place. And you know, it's dangerous for health. And so we want to get rid of them as soon as possible. I'm going to be showing the areas, showing you what I'm going to be using, something that I've tried and proven. And of course, tell you why you need to deal with mold before it gets out of hand, and the importance of also letting your landlord know about it, because it is by law that they deal with it when you have that infestation. So let's go around, look out where these mold marks are, and spray them, evacuate the place so the place can air out a bit, and then come back and we'll chat in between. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the kids' room. And if you look up here, so like, oh my goodness, I didn't even notice these. Can you all see that? Like, look at all of that. And then in this area, if you look right there, so and then it goes over to that side, you see? So I'm going to be doing that one. So in the bathroom, you notice them along the line here, there, over there, and then along here. I have to move the stuff. You see that? So this is what I'm going to be using to spray it. Proven, and it works. Alright, in my bedroom now, if you look down here, you see it along the window. This one. Guys, believe it or not, these are areas where mold is most likely to pop up. The windowsills, because this is where condensation collects. The corners of ceilings, especially in damp or poorly ventilated rooms. And listen, you know the bathroom condenses a lot because you're bathing with hot water, and I don't normally open my windows, so that's a weakness that I have to work on. You can look behind furnitures that are pushed against cold walls, and even check your closets and your cupboards. If you notice, it starts fading already, right? I don't need to wipe it with anything. It will come off naturally. So let me spray the other area. See that? It's coming off already. It's coming off already. So let me spray the other areas, and then I'll show you the after. Guys, I just sprayed the ceiling and stuff, and look at this. It's basically clear. Look at that. Look at that. Basically cleared. Cleared. Look at the difference. I'm going to do the other areas and then go downstairs for what is down there. Alright, the kids' room. A mold spray like this, because it's made to kill the mold, will be helpful if it's not too bad. And if you don't have that, you can use a solution of vinegar and water. But please, guys, don't follow me. Use gloves, wear goggles, protect yourself, and of course remember to evacuate after open the windows and that kind of thing. My God, look at this, man. No wonder them are sick. Literally, guys, everybody in the house was getting sick from the baby to Hon, and I had to check the place. They were coughing, sneezing, having headaches. I was having tightness in my chest. Like, it was crazy. And so I decided to look, and these are common symptoms of when you have mold in the house, and it can create serious health problems if not treated. See, it's clearing up already. Look at that. You see it's fading? Before you know it, it's going to come out. Ah, let me, oops. All right, this is the living room, and it is right across, coming down. If you look, you see it going straight down there. So I'm going to spray this, the kids, and in this case, guys, the mold was as a result of a leak. So in this case, contact your landlord for any leak or structural damages. You need to have your landlord come and fix it. It's their responsibility, and that's according to the Homes Fitness for Human Habitation Act of 2018. All right. So take photos, send it to your landlord in writing, and if they don't respond, reach out to your local council, and they'll handle it legally. Alright, guys, look at the transformation in the bathroom. Look at that. Look at that. And then the stuff you're seeing right there is not the mold, it's the paint. Whatever paint they use, it's coming up and that kind of thing. But if you look in the ceiling, it's clean. The paint is coming up there, so again, so ignore that. And I didn't wipe this area, guys. It just do the work. Clean it up, basically. I see some up there, so I'll have to spray that again. But for the most part, it is clean. I just need to go over some places one more time, and this took a whole bottle and some out of another bottle. So I really used a lot to get rid of, the majority of what you see was there already. But please read up about mold and your rights as a tenant, to having the landlord coming in to fix that. If you know that you're having some issues with, pipe drain issue, which is, you know, something that's really feeding this infestation. I don't know if infestation is the right word, but whatever. Then make sure that you know, contact your landlord urgently so that they can fix it urgently. And if it is something that isn't addressed, you can report it to your local council. They'll investigate it and ensure that the matter is fixed. Alright, I do hope that this might be helpful for somebody who is struggling with mold, wondering what to do, what to use. This product is very helpful. I have used it before and proven it. I'm showing live on this in the vlog that it can work. It will work if you apply correctly. But do exit the place for a while. We went out and we came back. It's still smelling a bit, but it's not as strong as when I just sprayed it, because even Danica was coughing when we were coming out of the house. But come out of the place and give it some time to air out a bit. The windows are still open and I leave it open until it kind of free up enough and that kind of thing. But remember, mold is not something to be taken lightly. It can trigger asthma attack, you know, lung problems, all kind of stuff. It's not healthy. You can develop all kind of allergies, and the toxins that it gives off can affect you like it bad. Alright, so please take care of mold today and don't let the winter season kick off, you know, real and you guys don't address it, because it will multiply and multiply quickly. Because what you're seeing is not something that, you know, I did see a little patch, and it's like I just wake up one morning and we start getting sick, and then when I checked the rooms, I noticed that the mold was coming up in different places. Like it just show up, and when it show up, it show up now. So please treat the infestation before it get more infested. Alright? Have for yourself a blessed, fabulous day. Please put God in your process. Once God is in your process, absolutely everything, not some things, but absolutely everything will be copacetic. Peace.
We got your back. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mr. God got you. Yeah. We are the rock dons. Yo, like, share, and comment. Yeah. Yeah. We are the rock dons. The rock dons. Mr. Link the link. Yo, rock dons.